Are you looking to install an EFI system into your previously finished vehicle? You're just trying to swap from a carburetor but don't want to do heavy modifications such as replacing a complete EFI gas tank and running fuel lines forward and back in the vehicle? The Force Fuel and the Force Fuel Mini are a great option for that. They utilize your existing fuel delivery system to send fuel to them, and then they boost up the fuel pressure for the fuel injection system. Let's jump under the hood of the Ranchero behind us and we can check out the Force Fuel Mini being installed and being used with an UltraPort EFI system. So here we have the Force Fuel Mini installed. The nice thing with the Force Fuel Mini is the bracket that comes with the kit can be mounted on 4 different sides. This one is just mounted on the back side, bolted straight down to the inner fender of the Ranchero. And what we're using is the mechanical fuel pump. In most applications, that's more than enough. Even the stock mechanical fuel pump will support adequate horsepower because it doesn't need to flow enough to run the EFI. It just needs to flow enough to be able to refill the force fuel after you let off the throttle. So with this one, the mechanical fuel pump is coming up. It flows into the Force Fuel Mini. And then I have a return line that's been routed in the vehicle that goes from the Force Fuel Mini back to the gas tank. And every one of the kits for the Force Fuel and the Force Fuel Mini come with a return bung fitting that allows you to tap into the tank easily. But from there, this tank completely fills full of fuel, and there's an in-tank pump inside. We got a fuel pressure regulator and a pressure gauge on it. So once we hook up our power, it's going to pressurize, pressure straight to 58 PSI, and we have our out hose with a 10 micron filter up to our fuel injection system. It's a nice compact way of adding and pretty much doing all of your installation under the hood with the Force Fuel Mini when doing a fuel pump modification for your fuel injection system. So that's the basic installation of the Force Fuel and the Force Fuel Mini. The Force Fuel is going to look a little bit different because it's got a larger fuel capacity. This one holds about 1 liter of fuel, whereas the Force Fuel itself will hold 2 liters of fuel. The other difference is the Mini has a 255 liter per hour fuel pump in it. That'll support about 600 horsepower, whereas the traditional Force Fuel has a 340 liter per hour fuel pump that'll support about 800 horsepower. Now, again, in this application, we're using a mechanical fuel pump, and we got this mounted underneath the hood of the vehicle. I have customers that are using electric fuel pumps, not anything that's super high volume, but a small electric fuel pump to transfer fuel to one of these, and they'll mount them underneath the vehicle or in the trunk of a vehicle or in the bed, depending on their application. And then they run their single line forward up to the fuel injection system. So that's just a couple of options that you have on running the Force Fuel systems. And I hope that answers any kind of question with how the Force Fuel systems themselves work and how easy they are to install with one of the EFI systems. If you have any questions on how to install a Force Fuel in your application, please comment those down below. Also, please like and subscribe to these videos so you're up to date whenever we drop new media content.